Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today or this time around, I'll be analyzing USD card, and I'll be doing a top-down analysis as well, from monthly to weekly to daily to 4 hour and 1 hour. Okay. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment as well. Please support me. Thank you. Alright, let's dive into it. So, I was starting from a monthly time frame, and I think it's pretty clear. Yeah, what I can see is we had an uptrend and then a pullback and continuity, and then a downtrend, a pullback, continuity, and then a break of structure, right? Okay, and I see this as retests, and this area or this zone seems to be a very strong zone, so I'm just going to map this out. When I say a strong zone, I mean price has retested this area multiple times. Okay, so I'm going to draw this out so that where do I put it? Where do I put it? Lift it above space. Yes, right here. So alright, I would as well map out the high and low. This is our high and this is our low. Right here. Okay, now you can easily tell that this looks currently like a downtrend. Why? Because there's a change of character here, right? And it looks like what is currently happening or what happened around here was retests, right? Retests, and there'll be continuity. Okay, so the downside, well, I mean, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that let's see how that goes. Well, let's see if we have more details on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame rather, to confirm what we've just seen. So on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Okay, so yeah, this is a very strong zone, right? But it looks like there is a consolidation around here, and this tells us that there's liquidity above here and there's liquidity beneath as well. Okay, so price will most likely come to this zone or even break it, right, in the future. But let me see. So we have a lower high, right? I'll need to map this out. This is also a strong zone. Okay, so we expect price to also come down here. Now, what is the direction of the market currently? Since let me see. Since price broke this recent low and came up here for a retest, originally we would expect price to come down here, right? But now it is not very certain if price wants to come and retest this strong zone. As you can see, this zone is closer to this consolidation compared to this zone. Okay, so let me just make it broader. So it looks like price would want to come up here, right? Short term, price wants to come up here or even break it before it comes low. Yeah. Let me zoom in. It might and it might not. We just need to hold on. There's also liquidity above here. There's also liquidity here and liquidity here. But if you also take a look at it here, it looks more like price would come here before it comes down here, right? This zone is quite strong, so that's why price is consolidating around it, as well as this zone. And like I said, there's liquidity above and beneath, so it looks more like price would want to come and want to break this liquidity before it comes down. Let me see if there's a structure anyways. So it looks like this short-term structure had been completed and this one is yet to be completed, right? So we expect price to actually come to somewhere around here. If it doesn't stop here, it's definitely going to break. Okay, but I mean, we're looking forward to price coming here, buying up to this point before selling down here, right? Because this is also a very strong zone. So that's what we've determined on the weekly time frame. We're expecting buys, right? We're expecting buys up to this resistance zone, and then we're looking forward to selling. That's if price does not break it here. We're looking forward to selling down to this zone, right? So yeah, let's see if it will be more detailed on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, there's an obvious consolidation. Okay, if you take a proper look, it looks like, okay, so yeah, this looks like head and shoulder. This was a retest and this was the end of the trend, of the pattern rather, was the end of the pattern. And I think that's the similar pattern around here. So this would then be a strong zone. This region would be a strong zone, and price is probably coming here, right? Maybe when price gets here, it's going to buy up to our resistance zone. Okay, or it could come here. Price could actually sell down here. This is short term from the daily time frame. Price could sell down here or here, right, before it buys to the resistance zone. So basically we are looking out for basically we are looking out for guys we're looking out for price to sell down here or here, and then we're looking out for buys from this region from here or here up to this zone. Then we'll be looking out for sales down to this zone. Okay, so now I think almost immediately, yeah, one would be looking out for sales right down here or here. Okay, then here because there's liquidity around here. Okay, there's liquidity here, so price would probably sell down here and then to here. Then we'll be looking out for buys from here, this region, looking out for buys from here up to this point, right? And then sells if price does not break this our resistance zone. We're looking out for sales down to this point. I think it's quite clear. Then let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Okay, yeah, I think it's pretty much the same thing. It's just a little bit clearer. So what do we see? We see the pattern, right? The head, the shoulder, price sold. This has gone to do a retest of this very strong zone and it's currently selling. Okay, so price from this coming week, price is going to sell down here or even further to somewhere around here, right? Let me see. Yes, to somewhere around here. Okay, and then once it gets to this region, we're looking out for buys to our resistance zone, which is here. Yeah, I think it's quite clear based on what we've analyzed. Do we really need to look at 1-hour time frame? Let's just see what we have there. Well, yeah, as you can see, price is selling, currently selling. Price retested this zone, this strong zone, then it's selling. So we'll be looking forward for price to sell down here and further or further. If not, we'll be looking out for buys up to our resistance zone, which is here. It's pretty much clear. Alright, I think we've come to the end of this analysis, right? Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.